Alright, good day everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my video, do well to subscribe, turn on the notification bell so whenever I drop videos you'll be the first to get it. So basically on today's video, I'm not going to be teaching on retouching. I'm not going to be teaching on anything that is too complex. This video is going to be very short. I actually had the burden to come and teach about your missile brush tool. So basically, what is a missile brush tool? Let's come here, right click, see missile brush. So just like that. So I want to create an empty layer above all this layer. Empty layer. So what is your missile brush tool? The missile brush tool is actually a tool used in Photoshop to either smoothing an image. You can say this is the function of a missile brush tool. You can see how effective this is when I was brushing it, and it has in a way spoiled this picture because the work of this missile brush is to use it to smoothen an image. So some people end up using this wrongly, and this is something that you should consider while trying to use the missile brush to first your settings. You can see that weight here was set to 100, and this is very wrong. Your weight should be at 30. So if you already have a numbers that work for you, it's not bad. Your load should be at 30. Your missile should be at 20. Your flow should be at 20. While here should be at 10. Then this last one 0. This is it. So you shouldn't brush directly to your image, even when you are trying to edit background. Okay, that's understandable that you are brushing your background. You can just walk like this to blend in your background work. Just like this, you can walk like this to blend in your background work. There's no bad in that. But if you are trying to edit a skin tone, so on that thing you consider after picking your missile brush, so people will see that this place is turned off, and automatically your brush will start picking. If here is turned off and here is on, your brush will start picking what is not really okay. You can see brush is looking different than the one we're using before that has colors in it. So what this is doing now is that it is trying to say just do rubbish. So you make sure that here is turned off and here is on first of all. So I'm just going to undo this. You make sure that here is turned off and here is turned on. So what you do next again, you come to this icon here, you open, you make sure that general brushes and soft round brushes is select. Your hardness should be 0. But how this works is that the more you increase, so as you increase your missile brushes, in your keyboard you see the bracket, whether open bracket or close bracket. Sorry, there is something on your keyboard which is this that I'm showing you on the screen right now. Is that you press here or you press here, that you decrease with this or you increase with this. So it's basically like that. This is how it functions. It's not really difficult to understand these things. So your understanding to these things is going to change how you are. Why isn't it you don't do it too much? We shouldn't brush straight to our picture. So a techniques was introduced, which is the Retouching Academy, or the action you know how to use, or creating this from scratch. So basically the vision blur, how it works is that, let's just put number here. How it works is that immediately you create this workflow, it's going to first create a low frequency and color tones. Then the next thing is color correcting, which is an empty layer in it. Then what you are seeing is a high texture. Then Then the other one, high frequency texture. So automatically it separates your texture from your color. So when trying to brush, you brush colors only, leaving your textures stay intact. So that's it. You don't brush your image too much. When you actually do this, you tend to destroy your image. You do it lesser. So it is simple like that. So this is something that you should give your time to. Don't rush it. Never ever rush it. So this is simple. Understand it, know it, and let it just exist within you. So if today is your first time on coming across my video, do well to turn on the notification bell and subscribe to this channel, so whenever I drop videos you'll be the first to see it. Peace out, guys.